Sairam children, this is chapter number 9, Algebraic Expression and Identities. Today we are going to start this chapter from your book. Okay, so before we start with this chapter children, let's have an introduction of this chapter, what kind of question we are going to face in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Children, this chapter we have learned in class 7th also. So this is the additional part of class 7th syllabus, chapter number 9. Okay, let's start with the introduction part. We are going to discuss about those questions here, which kind of question we are facing in this chapter. All the introduction question we are going to discuss about. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. See children, first of all let's understand the word expression. Okay, now 3x plus 5, what is this? This is an expression. Now why it is called expression children? Because in this numeric value means 3 and 5 and variables both are participating. Variable is x here. So what are variables here? Variables are the storage point. Okay, so this is called expression. Okay, when this expression have equal to also in this, that converts into equation. For example, 3x plus 5 equal to 8. Now equal to is also participating here, so this expression now convert into equation. This is called equation now. Okay, with this equation we are able to find the value of x. How? So this 5 moves to the rightmost side. Now here it is a plus sign, it goes with negative sign in the rightmost side, like this. 3x equal to 8 minus 5, you will get 3x. Now x is multiplied by 3 here, so for finding the x value, this 3 goes in the denominator with the divide sign. 3 minus 3 gives you 1. Sorry, 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. So in this we are able to find the value of x. Okay, but this is an expression only. We are not able to find any value. So this is the difference between expression and equation. I hope you are getting my point. Now children, after this, let's discuss about a word term. Now what are terms? See, if we are talking about 3x plus 5, in this we are having two terms. First term is 3x and second term is 5. So we can say that anything which is divided by operators, how many operators we are having? Plus, minus, divide and multiply. Anything which is divided by the operators are called terms. Okay, so in this plus operator is there, so 3x and 5 are divided in two groups with the help of plus operator. So 3x is one term, 5 is another term. I hope you are getting my point. Now let's take another example. Let's see 7xy plus 8x plus 8. How many terms we are having in this children? See, in this 2 times plus operator is used, 1 and 2. So we are having 3 terms. First term, second term and third term. Okay, term 1 is 7xy, second term is 8x, and third term is 8 here. Getting my point? What are terms here? Anything which are divided by the operator, that are called terms. Okay, now let's discuss about a very new word, that is called factors. What are factors now? So I hope these terms we have discussed, we have already know in the class 7th. Okay, so what are factors? See, if you are writing 7xy, so factors of this term is 7. You can write this xy in this form. It means 7 is multiplied by x and x is multiplied by y. Okay, so 7, x and y are the factors here. Okay, so this is called factors. So if you talk about 24, what are the factors of 24? 24. So let's have a LCM. 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 1. So 2, 3 are the factors of 24. You are getting my point? So these are the factors of this 24. Okay, so this is called factors. Okay, now let's discuss about a very new term, that is called coefficient. Let's discuss about what are coefficient, children. Coefficient, see, coefficient means numeric value. Coefficient means numeric value. Okay, now see, if you are writing again 7xy, so in this, what is numeric value? Numeric value means number. So 7 is a numeric value. So coefficient is 7 here of xy. Xy is the variable here and 7 is the coefficient here. Getting my point? Okay. Now let's take one more example. 5x. So term, how many terms we are having? We are having only one term. Factors are 5 and x, and coefficient is 5 only. I hope you are able to differentiate between term, factors and coefficient. Children, now expression are having 3 types. In this we are having polynomials. Okay, so polynomials having 3 types. First is monomial, second is binomial, and third is trinomial. Expression can say that polynomial. Now polynomial having 3 types: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means those expressions which are having only one term. Binomial means those expressions which are having 2 terms. And trinomial means those expressions which are having 3 terms. Okay. So we are having 3 types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Again I am repeating: monomial having only one term, binomial having 2 terms, and trinomial having 3 terms. Okay, so let's have example of monomial. Let's see. See, for example, if we are writing 4x, only one term is there, so this is an example of monomial polynomial. Let's take example of binomial. If we are writing 5xy plus 2, and this 5xy is first term and 2 is second term. So this is the example of binomial in which two terms participate. Third term, okay, three terms trinomial example. Let's see, if we are having 3x square plus 4xy plus 7. 3x square is one term, 4xy is second term, and 7 is third term. So total terms are 3. So this is an example of trinomial. Okay, so now if you are facing a kind of expression in that more than 3 terms are there, that comes in the category of polynomial. Okay, let's have that example also. Like 4x plus 7x square plus 8xy plus 10. Now number of terms in this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this example does not belong to any of these. So this is the example of polynomial. It comes in the category of polynomials only. Getting my point, children? Now let's move to the next topic. Next topic is about like and unlike terms. Next topic is about like and unlike terms, children. See, what is the difference between like and unlike terms, children? Whose algebraic factors are same are called like terms. Like terms are those whose algebraic factors are same. We are not talking about factors, children. We are talking about algebraic factors. Now understand between the difference between algebraic factors and factors. Now for example, 4x minus 7x, 2x minus 46x. So all are having numeric value different, but variables are same. All are having x variable here. It means algebraic factors are same. Algebraic means here variables. Algebraic means variables. All terms are having same variables. So they belong to the like terms. Okay. So here all are having variable x, but numeric values are different, are called like terms. Okay. Now let's take another example. For example, we are having 4x comma 5xy. Now in this, in first term, x is the algebraic expression. In the second term, xy is the algebraic expression. So their algebraic factors are not same, so they belongs to the unlike terms. They belongs to the unlike terms. They belongs to the like terms. Getting my point? I hope you are able to understand the difference between like terms and unlike terms. Now children, here like or unlike terms we mostly use when we do addition and subtraction. For example, in maths mostly you are doing addition like this: 2 plus 3. You are getting 5. So this is the addition between integers, between the numeric values. But here we are talking about algebraic expressions, so we have to add algebraic expressions only. For example, 4x plus 7x is the one statement, one expression, and second is you are having 5x. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add both of them. So 4x plus 7x plus 5x all are having x variable, so they belongs to the like terms. So we can easily add the numeric values of all the like terms. 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So you will get 16x. So in algebraic expression, addition and subtraction can only happen when they are having like terms. In unlike term, we are not able to do such kind of things. Let's have one more example. For example, second example of this, if you want to add 4x plus 5xy. So here you are having x, here you are having xy. So both are unlike terms. So we are not able to add both of them. Getting my point? So in this you are not having any answer. Okay, now again have one more example. Let's see. Xy plus 8y and you are having 4x plus 7y. So we need to add both of them. So when we add both of them, both expression, we have to take like terms together. So in this 6x and 4x both are like terms. Write together. 8y and 7y are the like terms. Write together. Now add both of them. Add both of them. You will get 10x plus 15y. Getting my point? So in this way you can easily add the like terms. Okay. Now children, this is a method in which we are adding like terms, algebraic expression, but we are using this method, we are writing in the same line. But now we have to represent addition in two separate lines. Like you are writing 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So if we are writing 2 plus 3, in this way also you can add two numeric values. So this is a method of representation in rows. So these expression we have to represent in this format. Okay, how we can do that? See, 6x plus 8y is the first expression. First. Second expression is 4x plus 7y. So this x we are write here below plus 7y. Now add together. So you will get 15y and 10x. So this is called representation in the rows. So here we are having two expression only. Okay, let's take example of three expression, how we can add them. Okay, so we are having three expression: 4xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, 4yz plus 9zx plus 4y minus 3xz plus 5x plus 2xy. So we have to add these three expression with the help of the rows method. So first of all, write this expression. How? 4xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Now second expression is 4yz. So yz term is here, right just below that. Now 9zx plus 9zx minus 4y. Now 4y is not present in the expression 1, so you can write separately here. Okay, now third is minus 3xz, xz minus 3xz, okay, plus 5x. Now 5x term is not there, right here, minus 2xy, minus 2xy. Now you have to add everything. So this plus 5x comes down, this minus 4y comes down here as it is. Now this minus 3zx plus 9zx, minus plus minus, so 3 minus 9 is 6. but 6zx positive. Plus 6zx minus 3zx gives you 3zx plus. Positive sign you will get. Now this 5 plus 4 is 9yz plus 4 minus 2 is 2xy. So in this way, with the help of rows method, you can add easily. Okay, now let's discuss about the subtraction. So if you want to subtract x plus y minus 2x minus 4, how you can subtract? You have to open the brackets. So x plus 7, this minus sign when goes inside the bracket, 2x positive convert into the negative sign, this minus plus, you will get 4. So minus 2x plus x, you will get minus x. 7 plus 4 is 11. So minus x plus 11 will be the answer. So same you have to represent in the rows method. How you can do that? Let's see. See, x plus y, x plus 7 is the first expression, 2x is the second expression minus 4. Now you have to subtract. When we have to subtract, children, we have to change the sign of the lower one. So 2x is having positive sign, it converts into negative. This is having negative sign, it converts into positive. Now plus 7 plus 4 gives you plus 11. X minus 2x gives you minus x. Okay, in this way you can easily do the subtraction. So with this I am ending this video, children. In the next video we will continue with the introduction part of this chapter number 9. Many things are left to discuss in the introductory part. Let's meet in the second video, second part of the same chapter. Thank you. Sai Ram.